Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about lambda functions in Python, also known as anonymous functions. So how do lambda functions differ from regular functions is that if you want to perform a specific task only once, then lambda functions are the best choice. You can also do that with regular functions, but regular functions take a little bit more line of code than lambda functions. You can finish a single function within a single line of code if you use lambda functions. So first let us take a look at lambda function syntax, and then we will see that in action. So the syntax is pretty simple: lambda keyword followed by variable colon and whatever operation you want to perform here. So let us assume that we want to multiply that number with 2, so x multiplied by 2. So let us see that here. So lambda x colon x multiplied by 2, and I am going to assign this line of code or lambda function to a variable. I'll call f equals this, and then here I'll call f and I'll pass 2, and also we will print this result. Okay, and if I execute this, it should give me 4 because 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So here we can see we got 4. If I pass 10 over here, it should give me 20. Normally you wouldn't use lambda functions this way. You would use them with map functions, filter functions, or radius functions. I'll show you how to use them with map functions. In the next video we will take a look at how we can use these functions using filter functions or radius functions. Okay, so let us see that. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a list which is going to have these elements in it. Okay, and after that I'm going to call map function. Map function takes 2 arguments. The first argument is function and second argument is iterable. So I'm going to create a lambda function within this map function. So lambda, so let's say we want to multiply all these numbers with 2. So here I'll give x multiplied by 2. So this is the function which is the first argument of map function, and the second argument which I am going to pass is this list. If I execute this, it will just give me the memory location, so which is not at all helpful. So to see the result, what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this into a list. So I'll just simply pass this whole line of code inside a list. Okay, and we can see here it has given us the result. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. You can also print. In some editors you cannot see the result without printing, but it is possible in Jupyter Notebook. So I'll give print as well. So I'll execute this, and here we can see we got the same result. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, likewise 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Okay, if you want to raise to the power of 2, then you can give double asterisk. Double asterisk is used for raise to the power. So I'll execute this, and here we can see 1 to the power 2 is 1, 2 to the power 2 is 4, likewise 8 to the power 2 is 64. So this is how you use lambda functions in Python. They are also called as anonymous functions. So this is how you also use lambda functions using map function. In the next video we will also see how we can use lambda functions using map filter functions or radius functions. I hope you guys understood this. I also hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. It takes me a lot of time to create tutorial for you guys for free. If you would subscribe, that would really help the channel out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, take care.